ways of creating a vision board for 2025. Hey Growth Obsessed fam, welcome to the new Growth Obsessed channel, your path to personal excellence. I'm so excited to be recording this video and I welcome you to 2025, a year of prosperity and meeting your goals and being your best self. Today, we will be diving into one of the most powerful tools for creating your goals and dreams. Yes, you guessed it, a vision board. Whether you're a fan of scissors or glue, love working with digital platforms, or just curious about how AI can supercharge your goal setting, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll be showing you 3 ways that you can create your vision board. Number 1, the classic hands-on method. 2, a digital vision board using free online tools. 3, an AI-powered vision board with tools like ChatGPT. Let's get started and bring those dreams to life. Let's kick things off with the tried and true classic method. There's something so therapeutic and grounding about creating a physical vision board, and I'm sure many of you can agree with this. What will we be needing for this? A pair of scissors, glue, a board or canvas. Your goals or intentions written down for clarity. Start by writing down your goals in different categories, such as health, career, and personal growth. Look for images, words, or quotations that resonate with each goal. For example, a picture of a sunrise that can symbolize new beginnings, or a stack of books that represents education or self-growth. Once you've arranged everything on your vision board, or rather your board, place it where you'll be able to see it daily, like your bedroom, your fridge, or your workspace. This constant visual reminder keeps you motivated and aligned with your goals. Number 2, the digital vision board. Now, if you're about convenience, or just want something less cluttered, a digital vision board is a great alternative. It's easy, free, and you can save it as a phone wallpaper or digital desktop background. First, head over to the trusted and loved canva.com and search for vision board templates. They have tons and tons of free options that you can choose from. Next up, visit sites like Pinterest, Unsplash, or Pixels to find high-quality, copyright-free images that represent your goals. For example, type travel inspiration or healthy lifestyle in the search bar and download your favorites. Then drag and drop the images into your Canva templates. Add text for your goals or affirmations like I am financially free or I am thriving in my dream career. Once you've done all of this, download it and set it as your phone or laptop background. It is a beautiful and practical way to keep your goals front and center every day. Number 3, the AI-powered vision board. Finally, let's talk about the future of vision boarding, the AI-powered tools. With platforms like ChatGPT, creating a vision board is faster, smarter, and more personalized than ever. Start by opening ChatGPT and typing, "Help me brainstorm goals for my vision board in these categories: health, finance, career, relationships." ChatGPT will give you specific actionable ideas. Health, maybe it will say, run a 5K marathon before June 2025. For finance, probably would say save 50,000 Rand for my emergency fund. You can also prompt it to give you affirmations or inspiration quotes. Give me 10 affirmations for success and confidence. Once you've got all these goals and affirmations done, head back to Canva and create a board using the same steps that we've covered earlier. This time, your goals and visuals will be super focused thanks to ChatGPT, wrapping everything together. So, there you go. Yeah, you have it. You're done. Didn't even take much effort. 3 powerful ways that you've created your vision boards with. The first one was the traditional classic hands-on approach for a tangible creative experience. Second one was the digital vision board, which is clutter-free, slick. Number 3 was the AI-powered vision board for maximum personalization and efficiency. No matter which method you choose here, the key is to keep your goals visible and be able to revisit them daily. Vision boards are a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams, and with these options, there's absolutely no excuse for you not to be great this year and work on your goals. Thank you so much for watching the Growth Obsessed channel, your path to personal excellence. If this video resonated with you, inspired you, or motivated you in some way, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. Which vision board method are you excited to try? Let's grow and manifest our best lives together. See you on the next video. Bye!